Are you tired of posting on social media every single day? It's time-consuming, it's repetitive. You find yourself constantly checking notifications, responding to comments, and trying to come up with new content ideas. It feels like a never-ending cycle that eats away at your valuable time and energy. And let's face it, it can be a real drag. The constant pressure to stay relevant and engage with your audience can be overwhelming. You might even start to feel burnt out, losing the passion you once had for your work or hobbies. Wouldn't it be amazing to free up those precious hours? Think about all the things you could do if you weren't glued to your screen. You could finally take that yoga class, read a book, or spend quality time with your loved ones. Imagine what you could achieve with all that extra time. You could pursue new hobbies, improve your skills, or even start a side project you've been dreaming about. The possibilities are endless when you're not tied down by the demands of social media. There's a solution, and the best part is, it's free. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive tools or hire a social media manager. With the right strategies and tools, you can take control of your social media presence without it taking over your life. You can automate your social media posts. Tools like Canva and Buffer offer scheduling features that allow you to plan and set up your posts in advance. This means you can batch your content creation and schedule it to go live at the optimal times. That's right, you can schedule your content in advance. No more scrambling to post something last minute or worrying about missing a posting window. You can set it and forget it, knowing that your content will be published automatically. This means no more frantic posting between meetings or late at night. You can finally relax and enjoy your free time without the constant nagging feeling that you need to be online. Your social media presence will be consistent, and you'll have more time to focus on what truly matters. Stop letting social media rule your life. Take back control and use your time more effectively. By automating your posts, you can break free from the chains of constant connectivity and reclaim your day. Take back your time and focus on what truly matters. Whether it's advancing your career, spending time with family, or simply taking a moment for yourself, you deserve to live a balanced and fulfilling life. Get ready to say goodbye to the daily social media grind. Embrace the freedom that comes with automation and start living your life to the fullest. Your time is precious. Make the most of it. This guide is your ticket to social media freedom. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or just someone who values their time, this is for you. We'll explore simple, free tools to automate your social media. Get ready to discover a world where you can schedule posts in minutes. Imagine, once a week you can plan and schedule your entire week's worth of content. Automation takes care of the rest, leaving you free to pursue your passions. No more feeling chained to your phone or laptop. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Before we dive into automation, let's talk about planning. Having a clear content plan is crucial. Think of it as a roadmap for your social media. It outlines what you'll post and when. A simple spreadsheet is a great starting point. Create columns for the date, time, and content of your posts. You can also use free tools like Notion, which offer more visual and collaborative planning options. Planning your content ensures consistency and helps avoid last-minute scrambles for ideas. Now that you have a plan, it's time to create eye-catching visuals. Canva is a fantastic tool for this. It offers a user-friendly interface and a vast library of free templates, images, and graphics. Even if you're not a design whiz, Canva makes creating professional-looking posts a breeze. Choose a template that aligns with your brand, customize the text and images, and voila! You have a stunning visual ready to captivate your audience. Remember, visuals are key on social media. They grab attention and make your content more engaging. Section 5. Buffer's free power. Schedule your posts with ease. Now, for the magic of automation. Imagine having the power to plan your social media content days, weeks, or even months in advance. With Buffer, this isn't just a dream, it's a reality. Buffer is a fantastic free tool that allows you to schedule your social media posts in advance. This means you can maintain a consistent online presence without having to be glued to your screen 24/7. Connect your social media accounts to Buffer, create your posts, or upload your Canva creations, and schedule them for the optimal times to reach your audience. This ensures that your content is seen by the maximum number of people, increasing your engagement and reach. Buffer's free plan allows you to connect up to 3 social media accounts and schedule up to 10 posts per account. This is perfect for those who are just starting out or for small businesses that need to manage their social media presence efficiently without breaking the bank. It's perfect for individuals and small businesses looking to streamline their social media efforts. By using Buffer, you can save time and focus on what really matters, growing your business and engaging with your audience. With Buffer, you can set it and forget it, knowing your content will be shared automatically at the times you've chosen. This means you can relax, knowing that your social media strategy is working for you, even when you're not online. So why wait? Start using Buffer today and take control of your social media scheduling with ease. Section 6, Hashtag Hacks, let AI do the work. Hashtags are essential for increasing the visibility of your social media posts, but finding the right hashtags can be time-consuming. Luckily, there are tools to help. ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model, can help you generate relevant hashtags. Simply provide ChatGPT with a brief description of your post, and it will suggest a list of appropriate hashtags. Another useful tool is hashtagify.me. This tool analyzes popular hashtags related to your keywords and provides insights into their popularity and reach. By using these tools, you can ensure your posts reach a wider audience and maximize their impact. Section 7. Buffer in action. A quick demo. Let's see Buffer in action. Imagine you've created a stunning Canva graphic promoting your latest blog post. In Buffer, you would click the Create Post button, select the social media accounts you want to share it to, upload your Canva graphic, write a captivating caption, and schedule it for the next day at 9 a.m. That's it. Buffer will automatically share your post at the designated time without you having to lift a finger. It's as simple as that. You can schedule multiple posts in advance, ensuring a consistent flow of content without constant manual effort. Section 8. Pro Tips. Become an automation master. Ready to take your automation skills to the next level? Here are some pro tips. Analyze your best posting times. Use Buffer's analytics to identify the times your audience is most active and schedule your posts accordingly. Repurpose your content. Don't be afraid to share your content multiple times. You can reschedule the same post with a different caption or image. Engage with your audience. Automation doesn't mean neglecting your followers. Make time to respond to comments and messages. By implementing these tips, you can maximize the effectiveness of your automation and achieve even greater results. Section 9. Ready to soar? Are you ready to take your social media game to the next level? If so, it's time to embrace the power of automation and unlock a world of possibilities. Embrace the power of automation. Congratulations. You've taken the first step towards a more efficient and effective social media strategy. Automation is not just a tool, it's a game changer that can revolutionize the way you manage your online presence. You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to automate your social media and reclaim your precious time. Remember, consistency is key. By scheduling your posts in advance, you ensure that your content reaches your audience at the optimal times, even when you're not online. Set aside dedicated time each week to plan your content, create your visuals, and schedule your posts. The more you automate, the more streamlined your workflow becomes. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the stress of last-minute content creation. The more time you'll have to focus on other aspects of your business or life. Imagine having extra hours to brainstorm new ideas, engage with your audience, or simply relax and recharge. Automation gives you the freedom to do just that. Embrace the power of automation and watch your social media presence soar to new heights. With the right tools and strategies, you can achieve consistent growth and engagement, making your brand more visible and influential. Now that you've had a taste of what's possible, why not explore further? There are countless automation tools and techniques out there, each offering unique features to enhance your social media strategy. Dive deeper into the world of social media automation. Experiment with advanced features, learn new techniques, and stay updated with the latest trends. The more you explore, the more you'll discover ways to optimize your efforts, and discover even more ways to optimize your efforts and achieve your goals. Your journey towards mastering social media automation is just beginning. Keep pushing the boundaries, and you'll see remarkable results.